Alright, before we jump in, quick heads up. If you want a special discount or juicy deal, click the link in the description right now. I don't want you to miss out, honestly. Okay, picture this. You're trying to get your credit score up, but it feels like climbing a mountain in flip-flops. Been there. And let's face it, most of those credit secrets online are just not it. But that's where Kikoff Credit swoops in like a little superhero for your wallet. So, what is Kikoff, and why should you care? It's basically a super simple way to build credit, especially if you're starting from scratch or fixing a past blip. Here's how it works. Kikoff gives you a small credit line. We're talking 10, 20 bucks. Not enough to buy a trip to Bali, but enough to get those credit bureaus to notice you. You use Kikoff to make tiny, automatic purchases. Think digital subscriptions or ebooks. Then, just pay them off on time each month. Kikoff reports those payments to the big 3 credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Translation: your on-time payments can boost your credit score, sometimes in just a few months. No hard credit check, no fancy income requirements, no hidden fees, and no, you don't need to sell your grandma's jam collection. It's pretty much credit building for normal people like you and me who want to get approved for that better apartment or shiny new credit card. But here's the kicker. See what I did there? You literally just set it up once, and Kikoff does the rest. It's like putting your credit score on autopilot. So if you're tired of being ignored by lenders or you just want to give your credit a nudge in the right direction, give Kikoff a look. And remember, snag your special offer by clicking the link in the description below. Go on, your future self will thank you.